Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, funny thing, I just uploaded a video not that long ago at all about other bugs that some of you could be getting bit by other than bed bugs. And one of the bugs in that video was, I called it a midget, but I think it's called a midge, or yeah, midge. It's a funny thing. I was in the kitchen and I seen this little teeny bug, and it was like up on this high feet, like the back of the feet, and it was just up like a little bit. And I'm always looking around, guys. That's just been me forever. It's not nothing new because of bed bugs. It's just me. I'm always looking around because I'm a person that's scared of bugs. So I'm always looking around for bugs just to see if I see something. And I looked, and lo and behold, it was this tiny little bug. But I sprayed it. I didn't smash or anything. I sprayed it because I wanted to take a closer look at it to see what kind of bug it was. And sure enough, it's one of those midge bugs that I spoke about. Now, I noticed when I'm in my living room, and that's where my office is, and when I'm sitting and I'm working, sometimes I can feel like it's biting me on my legs. But every time I look, I don't see anything. So I'm thinking it's probably a mosquito or a gnat or whatever. But now that I just seen that little bug, and it looks something like a fly, but it's way smaller than a fly. I'm going to show a picture of it because I did snap a picture of course, and I enlarged it so you guys can see what the midge look like. But they have wings and similar to a fly, but they look different from a fly, and they're way tinier than a fly. Because these little bugs, it's gonna look big when I show you the photo. But they're really small, so they're not the easiest things to see. And that's probably why. I'm sure if I seen one in here, it's probably more than one. And my youngest son and my friend, they open and close the door so much. Mosquitoes, gnats, everything just have their way. You know, they fly right in, and who knows what else. But now I'm seeing that that's one of the things that's probably biting me outside of a mosquito and a gnat. Because gnats do bite. Flies bite, gnats bite, mosquito, everything bite. But anyway, I just came back to say that because I actually just want to show you guys that I did find one of the midge bugs in here, and they flying around, y'all. Okay, so here we go. And thanks for tuning in, guys.